Hey, I'm Devalair Kamguia, a senior full-stack Java developer. I've built microservices, managed Kafka pipelines in production, implemented CI/CD pipelines with Jenkins, juggled front-end and back-end stacks, and let's be honest, I've broken things a lot before fixing them. If you've ever felt like you're stuck, like your progress is slower than it should be, this video is for you. Because here's the truth, progress is not linear. And that's not a flaw. That's how growth actually happens. When I first touched Java, I thought I'd master it in 6 months. Then I met Spring Boot, then Kafka, then Docker. And suddenly I wasn't climbing, I was crawling. That's how real skill building works. You'll go through plateaus, days where nothing sticks. Then suddenly, boom, something clicks. That's not failure, that's incubation. It means your brain is still processing, even if the results don't show up immediately. Whether it's debugging a Jenkins pipeline or making sense of a Kafka consumer offset issue, you struggle, you get frustrated, and then one day you solve it, like second nature. My own journey didn't skyrocket. There were months I felt unstoppable. Building REST APIs, sending async events with Kafka, crushing features. Then there were weeks I barely committed anything meaningful, but I kept showing up. And that's the difference. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to learn everything in one sprint. One concept at a time, 1 hour of code, one uncomfortable push outside your comfort zone. That's how you evolve. I used to aim for perfection, polished code, 0 bugs, perfect Git history. But that mindset, it slowed me down because real growth is messy. You want to grow? Start a side project that fails. Push code that breaks staging. Give a demo that crashes halfway. That's how you build resilience. That's how you learn. If I only moved when I felt ready, I wouldn't have built half the systems I have today. Most people only see the final build, the deployed app, the cool portfolio, the clean GitHub graph. What they don't see? The nights spent fixing circular dependencies, the 3-hour debug sessions on broken Kafka topics, the Jenkins job that passed only after 15 failed attempts. So if you feel like you're behind, stop comparing your progress to someone else's highlight reel. We're all debugging life in real time. Your journey in tech, in programming, in becoming your best self, won't be smooth. There will be dips, delays, dead ends, but every detour is part of your map. Every stuck moment is still momentum. Progress is not linear, but it's yours, so trust the path and keep going. Done is better than perfect. Debugging is learning in disguise. Progress feels like failure until it works.